Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make shoe selling with zero capital. Firstly, you need to get a brand name that goes with what you want to showcase with your shoe business. And secondly, you look around you for a good shoemaker that will put you through what you do. Thirdly, you need to also open an IG page and Facebook page so as for you to get more customers. It costs €0. You only need your data for it. Firstly, just note it down. Firstly, get a brand name. Secondly, look for a good shoemaker around you so as not to disappoint your customer in making shoes in the type of product you make. Thirdly, you open a Facebook or IG page, an IG page. You can upload through Facebook to IG and send to your Facebook business page. And third one, you open a WhatsApp business page, business number, and you create a catalog. That catalog, under the catalog, you are going to put and list the prices of your products. Thirdly, after running and opening your page, you need to run ads on Instagram and on Facebook. Also on WhatsApp, you meet with WhatsApp TV guys and you pay them to run adverts. You can run a week depending on how you see the turn up. So you can also run adverts on Instagram and on Facebook. And also you can when and just know this, when uploading on Instagram and on Facebook, always add your price, always put your price tag so as to avoid arguments. Oh, this is the amount I saw on your page, this you are telling me this and that. So always be plain and put your price on it. Also on your catalog, put your price on it. Share your contact to your friends list. Tell them to upload for you, tell them to broadcast for you. And also on IG, find and try to know how you will boost your business on IG. You run ads, and also on Facebook. You run ads. You can run for a week. You can run for 2 days. You can even run for 24 hours. So that's how it works on that. So when you do that, you can also get a souvenir. You make a souvenir, like you can make a paper bag or a nylon. Just for a start, you can make a nylon. It depends on how you want it. And later, some people might request for what's it called, box. Box. Some people do request for box. Okay, I want it to be in a box, kind of. Okay, fine. And you put it, and that's it. And also, when interacting with your shoemaker, you tell you, okay, your shoemaker will give you price. This is what I will be giving you. I'll be giving you at the rate of so. You know the amount you are going to sell it. And again, notice for a start, you don't need to put a bogus interest, like too much. You don't need to add the price because you are just starting the business. So put a very attractive price. Okay, like even if you are saying 3K on a shoe, it shouldn't be bad for a startup. 3K for a shoe, you are still good to go for a start. So that's how it works about on that. So, and I guess I actually have a guideline I'm going through right here so as to pull you guys through and to carry you along. So we are good to go on your Resell. So and as you do that, constantly also post on your WhatsApp status. You can post on your WhatsApp status every day. Keep posting on there. You can post live, post through pictures, and let your people know that okay, this is what you do, this is what you are into, and Anywhere you go, just try talk to one or two people around you. Okay, okay, I'm into this, I'm into shoe business with zero capital. Okay, this is how it works. When I say zero capital, when you have, okay, someone comes to you for a shoe, he brings his or her own design. Okay, I want you to create this for me, to recreate it for me. Okay, how much is it? You take it to your shoemaker. Okay, I'm giving it for you. For example, Brooks. Okay, if you tell you, okay, I'm giving it for you 5k, you go back to the person. Okay, I'm giving it for you 8k. You pay 8k. That's the amount I'm giving you. Okay, I have 7k, I have 7.5. It depends on what pays you. So that's about that. So you make your money and you are good to go. So with that, and even with you saying the turn up yourself, you know what next to do, how to expand your business, how to package it, how to brand it yourself, like a not in an amateur way, but like a big in an enthusiast way. So that's about that. That's how to make money on shoe. So thank you very much for watching today's episode. And again, you can also go to my YouTube, my Instagram page at b.footies, also on Facebook at b.footies. Our link is there on WhatsApp. You can also chat me up on WhatsApp if you want to be added to our wholesale group. Thank you very much for watching today's episode. Stay tuned for the next content.